Black-white room designs. Discover the elegance of black and white room design with our inspiring DIY projects, from living rooms to chic home offices. Incorporating black and white in your space reflects harmony and boldness, transforming any room with monochromatic magic. A monochromatic living room combines sleek black furniture and white walls, creating focal points and a statement of minimalism. Geometric patterns and natural light enhance the room's design, adding texture, vibrancy, and a dynamic quality to the space. The elegant black coffee table becomes a central, unifying piece, anchoring the room's design and social atmosphere. In the home office, a glossy black desk and ergonomic white chair promote productivity, while black and white decor adds style. The bedroom transforms into a serene retreat with a luxurious black bed frame, white linens, and balanced, harmonious decor. These projects showcase the timeless appeal of black and white, inspiring DIY enthusiasts to create stylish, personalized spaces.